Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word dooms. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The villagers feared that the approaching storm would bring dooms upon their homes. Dooms refers to impending disaster or misfortune. In the sentence, it conveys the sense of a grim fate or destruction that the storm may bring upon the villagers. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.